Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. If accounting software pricing were gym memberships, Patriot would be the one that actually tells you what you're paying for, while NolaPro would be the one that quietly says, don't worry, it's free unless you want convenience. So let's start with pricing because that's where the difference becomes crystal clear. Patriot takes a very straightforward, subscription-based approach. For accounting, Patriot offers Accounting Basic at $10 per month and Accounting Premium at $15 per month. Both plans include unlimited customers and invoices, income and expense tracking, automatic bank imports, account reconciliation, and solid financial reporting. The Premium plan adds recurring invoices, user-based permissions, estimates, invoice reminders, and document management, making it more suitable for small teams or growing businesses. On the payroll side, Patriot offers basic payroll at $8.50 per month, plus $2 per employee, and full service payroll at $18.50 per month, plus $2.50 per employee. Full service payroll includes federal, state, and local tax filings, year-end forms at no extra cost, and a tax filing accuracy guarantee. There are also optional add-ons like time and attendance and HR software for a few extra dollars per month. NolaPro approaches pricing very differently. Its single-user desktop version is completely free, with no monthly subscription at all, making it one of the most affordable accounting systems available. For businesses that want cloud access, multi-user support, or hosted environments, NolaPro offers paid plans starting around $6 per month for the starter version, about $12 per month for enterprise, and similar pricing for non-profit organizations. Larger ERP level deployments require contacting sales. Payroll is available as an add-on at roughly $3 per employee per month. So while Patriot charges more consistently, NolaPro offers a near zero entry point if you're comfortable with a more hands-on setup. When it comes to features, Patriot focuses on clarity and ease of use. The accounting platform covers invoicing, estimates, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, financial statements, and payment acceptance. Everything is laid out cleanly, making it easy for non-accountants to stay organized without digging through complex menus. Payroll is one of Patriot's strongest areas with unlimited payroll runs, free direct deposit, an employee portal, contractor payments, automated filings, and robust payroll reports. The system is especially appealing for small US businesses that want accounting and payroll under one roof without juggling multiple tools. The pros of Patriot are simplicity, transparency, and reliability. Pricing is clear, features are easy to understand, and payroll automation saves a massive amount of time. Support is US-based, and the platform is clearly built for business owners who want things done correctly without becoming accounting experts. The main cons are customization and depth. Patriot doesn't offer advanced inventory management, deep project accounting, or heavy customization options, and international businesses may find its scope limited. It's designed to be practical rather than powerful, which is either a strength or a limitation depending on your needs. NolaPro takes a very different path compared to most modern accounting platforms, and that becomes obvious the moment you explore its feature set. Instead of focusing on minimalism or guided workflows, NolaPro delivers a full-scale accounting system that feels closer to a traditional ERP than a lightweight small business tool. It includes a complete general ledger, accounts payable and receivable, billing, invoicing, inventory management, job costing, budgeting, fixed assets, and detailed financial reporting. Businesses can track payables, manage purchase orders, reconcile bank accounts, handle sales tax, and generate detailed financial statements without needing third-party add-ons. One of NolaPro's standout strengths is how much functionality it provides out of the box. Inventory management is built directly into the system, including support for multiple locations and costing methods. Time tracking and payroll integration are available, allowing businesses to connect labor costs directly to jobs or departments. Multi-currency support and international versions make it viable for organizations operating across borders. while multi-language support adds flexibility for diverse teams. NolaPro also offers point-of-sale functionality, making it suitable for retail environments and strong audit trails for businesses that need tighter financial controls. NolaPro is especially well known for its non-profit and fund accounting capabilities. Unlike many general accounting platforms that only offer basic non-profit features, NolaPro supports true fund-based accounting, allowing organizations to track restricted and unrestricted funds accurately. This makes it a popular choice for non-profits, educational institutions, and grant-funded organizations that need precise financial separation and reporting. Users also benefit from extensive customization options, including configurable charts of accounts, custom reports, and modular deployment depending on business needs. The pros of NolaPro are depth, flexibility, and long-term control. It's one of the most feature-rich accounting systems available without locking users into expensive subscriptions. Businesses that want ownership of their data, freedom to customize workflows, and the ability to scale without constant plan upgrades will find a lot of value here. Free updates and multiple deployment options, including desktop, cloud, and hosted environments, further strengthen its appeal for technically confident users. However, NolaPro does come with trade-offs. The interface is functional, but dated, especially when compared to modern cloud-first platforms. New users may find the setup process intimidating, and the learning curve can be steep for business owners without accounting experience. Support is available, but the system generally expects users to be more hands-on and self-sufficient. For businesses that want a guided, beginner-friendly experience, NolaPro may feel overwhelming at first. Looking at user feedback helps clarify how these tools are perceived in real-world use. On Capterra, Patriot Payroll holds an impressive 4.8 out of 5 rating from more than 3,500 reviews. Users consistently praise its ease of use, reliable payroll processing, responsive customer support, and stress-free tax filings. Many reviewers highlight how Patriot simplifies payroll for small businesses that don't want complexity. NolaPro, on the other hand, currently holds a perfect 5.0 out of 5 rating on Capterra, but from a very small number of reviews. That score reflects extremely high satisfaction among its users, but the limited review volume means it should be viewed as directional rather than conclusive. Ratings can also change over time as more users leave feedback, so it's always smart to check the most recent reviews. The final takeaway is refreshingly straightforward. Patriot is ideal for small US businesses that want a polished, guided experience with dependable payroll, clear workflows, and minimal setup time. It removes friction and lets business owners focus on running their company instead of managing software. NolaPro, meanwhile, is a powerhouse for users who value control, flexibility, and accounting depth over convenience. If you're comfortable with a steeper learning curve and want maximum functionality at minimal cost, NolaPro is a surprisingly powerful option that rewards those willing to invest the time. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review their latest features, and decide which one truly fits your workflow and experience level. And if this comparison helped you make a smarter decision, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another software breakdown designed to save you time, money, and frustration.